Who hasn't walked into their bathroom and thought, this could really use a facelift? Whether it's a dated pink toilet and tub or simply a desire for a fresh look, a DIY bathroom renovation is an achievable project that can transform a house into a home. Plunging right into it, the first stride is all about planning. A strategic plan forms the pillar of any triumphant renovation. Mull over the layout, the color palette, the fixtures, and the overall style you desire. Now, speaking of fixtures, isn't it fun to ponder over whether to keep that pink toilet and bathtub, giving them a retro refresh, or replacing them altogether? The joy lies in making these choices. Perhaps maintaining the retro vibe might just be the quirky chic you're looking for. Each decision you make is a part of the exhilarating ride that is renovation. Next, establish a budget. Renovations can quickly escalate in cost. Having a defined budget can guide in making wise decisions about where to invest and where to economize. Keep in mind to consider the costs of refreshing existing fixtures, paint, tiles, and any unforeseen expenses that may crop up during the process. When the plan and budget are set, the next move is to get the bathroom ready. You need to take out only the fixtures and fittings that require replacement, making sure to keep the plumbing and major fixtures such as the toilet and tub in their original state. Remember, we're not here to wreak havoc but to revamp and refresh the space. Now get ready to roll up the sleeves and start the actual renovation. Begin with the walls. If they need a new coat of paint, choose a high-quality, moisture-resistant paint suitable for bathrooms. If tiles are the choice, start from the bottom and work the way up, ensuring each tile is laid evenly and securely. Proceed to the fixtures next. Contemplate on how to make that pink toilet and tub dazzle, either with a thorough scrubbing or perhaps a refinishing. There's no need for replacements, just focus on enhancing their existing charm. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touches. This is the stage where your bathroom truly begins to take shape. Keep in mind, we're retaining main fixtures, so your goal should be to augment them. Set up the vanity, mount the mirror, and incorporate those small elements that make the area feel an extension of your home. A sumptuous bath mat, a contemporary soap dispenser, or a vase brimming with fresh flowers can all inject a modicum of opulence into any bathroom. In conclusion, a DIY bathroom renovation is a venture that calls for careful planning, financial allocation, groundwork, and a touch of manual labor. Start with a well-defined plan and budget, then get the bathroom ready for a revamp. Rather than replacing, we've emphasized on refreshing and working with existing fixtures. Apply a new coat of paint or tile the walls, then update or breathe new life into the fixtures before adding the final touches. Bear in mind, renovation about mirroring a flawless bathroom from a glossy magazine. It's about crafting a space that exudes warmth and welcome, a place that truly feels like home. With a bit of foresight and effort, anyone has the ability to upgrade their bathroom from old-fashioned to outstanding, so why not take the plunge? There's nothing quite like the gratification of entering a bathroom that has been devotedly renovated with your own two hands.